Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to download and install an application from FTP on Windows by using Ansible Playbook. Ansible is an open source IT automation engine that manages provisioning, configuration management, application deployment, and multiple other IT processes. An Ansible Playbook is a blueprint of automation tasks that are complex IT activities executed with limited or no human involvement.
First, I'm going to check the Oracle Linux version. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.5. Now I'm going to check the availability of Ansible package. Use the following command. Now I'm going to check the availability of Python 3 pip package. Use the following command. Now I'm going to check the availability of the Python package. Now I'm going to create inventory for Windows Node system. Use the following command. Make insert the Windows Node system information. Now save and quit. Go to Windows machine and check whether the application have been previously installed or not. In my machine, the application is not installed. Now go to Linux machine. Next, I'm going to create a YAML file. Use the following command. Make insert. Enter the host. Windows. Gather facts. True. Task. Enter the name. Copy the file. Enter the module. Windows get URL. Enter the URL of the FTP location. Enter the username and IP address. Enter the username and IP address. Now enter the location where the application have been saved. Now enter the username. Enter the username of the FTP. Now enter the password. Now enter the location where the application need to be copied. Now I'm going to install Zoom. Enter the name. Enter the Windows module. Windows underscore package. Now enter the path where the file has been downloaded. Enter the product ID. Enter the state, present. Now save and quit. Now I am going to check whether the YAML file is. Now I am going to check the syntax of the file. Use the following command. Now save and quit. Now I am going to check the syntax. Now the error is cleared and the syntax is okay. Now I am going to run the test.yaml playbook. Once the task has been completed, go to Windows machine. Go to C folder, Ansible. As you can see, the Zoom has been downloaded from the FTP. Now I am going to check whether the application have been installed. Go to control panel and click uninstall a program. As you can see, the Zoom has been installed. With this, how to download and install an application from FTP in Windows by using Ansible Playbook has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.